So today I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome no sound problem, so you can get your audio working again quickly and easily. So to get started, first step is to click on the three vertical dots on the top right hand corner of Chrome. Then scroll down a little bit and click on Settings. Next, on the left hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find Site Settings, then click it, scroll again, and open additional content settings. Now, click on Sound and make sure that Sites Can Play Sound is enabled. You also need to check the list of sites under Not Allowed to Play Sound. If the site you're using, for example, is YouTube and it's on that list, click on the three vertical dots. Beside it, click or select Remove to take it off the block list. After that, if you're using YouTube or any site in your browser, right-click the tab and choose Unmute Site. If sound is still not working, right-click the sound icon on the bottom right-hand corner of your taskbar. Click Open Volume Mixer. Here, make sure your system is not muted, and check that your audio is set to the correct device, whether that's your speakers or headphones. Then, scroll down to the Apps section and look for Google Chrome. Make sure it's not muted there as well. Follow all these steps and your Chrome audio should be back up and working.